Welcome to AI Unraveled, the executive's playbook for the new agentic era. I'm Etienne.
And I'm Anna. Today, we're tearing up the old playbook. We're discussing the structural, operational, and legal paradigms of managing a hybrid workforce of humans and AI agents. Forget everything you know about corporate structure.
Exactly. First up, the great structural shift. For a century, the org chart has been our map, a pyramid of boxes and lines. That map is now obsolete. We're entering the era of the work graph.
Right. A work graph doesn't care who reports to whom. It maps how value is created, linking outcomes to end tasks and assigning both human and agent owners at every step. This leads to two new dominant operating models.
The first is the freelancer model. Simple, direct. A single agent performs an end-to-end task under human supervision. Think ad hoc admin work or rapid prototyping.
But the real power move is the orchestrator worker model. Here, a human team lead defines a high-level goal, and a crew of specialized agents, a researcher, a writer, a coder, executes the subtasks, coordinates amongst themselves, and reports back. That's how you scale.
So you have the new structure, now you need the new workforce. Let's talk tools. The choice depends entirely on the job. We're seeing a clear split between desktop native agents and cloud autonomous agents.
A perfect example is the showdown between Anthropic's Cowork and Manus. Cowork lives on your machine. Its core competency is file manipulation, coding, and data organization within your local sandbox. It's an internal specialist.
Whereas Manus is your external generalist. It lives on the open web. Its job is research, data scraping, and web automation. You don't ask it to clean your desktop, you tell it, research the pricing pages of these 50 competitors and put the data in a Google Sheet. It's a fire and forget web operator. The tactical decision for leaders is knowing which agent to deploy where.
And who manages this new hybrid workforce? This brings us to the biggest myth out there, that AI is the death of middle management.
The reality is the inverse. We're seeing a renaissance of the middle tier, but the role has been completely reconstructed.
They are no longer task monitors. They are AI orchestrators. Their daily routine is unrecognizable from 2020. It starts with dashboard triage, reviewing an agent health dashboard, checking for hallucination spikes, and monitoring token consumption. Then they move to SOP engineering. They're literally writing and refining the standard operating procedures that act as the source code for their agent crews.
And their performance isn't measured on vibes, it's measured on hard KPIs. Two are critical. Success rate, the percentage of workflows completed without human intervention, this is the primary measure of autonomy, and second, token consumption, the literal salary of the agent. The orchestrator's job is to maximize success while managing cost.
Pence or mysterious music. All right, we've covered the structure, the tools, and the talent. Now for the topic that should be keeping every executive up at night, the risk and insurance nightmare.
The single biggest threat is silent AI. Your traditional errors and omissions policy likely doesn't explicitly mention AI, which created unintentional coverage. Insurers are now moving aggressively to eliminate this by introducing absolute AI exclusions. Your standard policy could be worthless against an AI-driven mistake.
And make no mistake, the courts will hold you liable. The legal precedent is already being set. In Mobley versus Workday, the courts signaled that employers cannot use AI as a shield. The black box defense of, we didn't know the AI would do that, is failing. If your agent causes harm, the law views it as an extension of the corporation's will. You are responsible.
The takeaway is brutally simple. Audit your D&O and E&O policies immediately for AI exclusions. The org chart is dead. Long live the work graph. That's all for this episode of AI Unraveled. Join us next time.